In talking with technicians all over this country, I always find them talking about that problem pool. It can be residential or commercial. There's always that one that just constantly gives them problems. I'm Monica with Orenda, and I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Monica with Orenda. Today, I want to talk to you about what it is I do if you ask me to come to your pool. So first and foremost, I would absolutely ask that you have your technician there so that we can all work together to problem solve. First thing we're going to do is we're going to test water together. So please make sure that you have a test kit available on the site. I will bring my equipment with me.
I test 13 parameters. They are salt, total dissolved solids, temperature, free chlorine, total chlorine, pH, alkalinity, calcium, cyanuric acid, phosphates, nitrates, iron, and copper.
Now I know what you're going to say is, oh my gosh, wait a second, I don't have time to test 13 parameters, and that is true. You don't, not every week. However, it's imperative that you get a full workup of the water and a complete understanding of what is happening at that site, whether it's commercial or residential. For instance, I would also highly recommend that you check how long the water has been in the pool, the age of the pool, because the pool may have been resurfaced in the last 3 to 5 years, but the actual structure itself may be 10, 15, 20 years old. It's important because the infrastructure of the pool itself most likely have contaminants in it that won't go away when they drain and resurface the pool, and that's crucial to the success and failure of our water and what we do there. The next thing that I would highly recommend is that you look at your filters, check to see what the sizes are, if it's sand, how old is the sand. Those are all important factors as well. When you get all this information together, you're much more apt to be able to give a better recommendation to the customer and tell them the cost involved to actually help get their pool back up to healthy standards. If we check only the chlorine and pH, we're not understanding what's really going on. In conclusion, remember, the more data you have, the better you can solve the problem. I look forward to hearing from you and meeting you poolside. Thank you.